So when you're turning the sheets down, you want to keep your foot near the end of the sheet to keep it stable. Make sure it's all the way in, then just turn it down like that. Now it doesn't matter if you tear the sheets on the corners here. When you're turning it down, the more you've turned it down, the better. But it does matter up the top end when you stop ending them. You want to make sure you don't rip the sheets at the top end. When we turn them up, just be careful you don't tear the sheets. So just turn it up nice and slowly. If you haven't got one of these turn-up tools, you can actually do all this with your pliers, but it'll take a fair bit of time.